Hello, I'm Darlene Griffiths and I'm from Harrington, Kansas, and this is my introduction video. I moved to Harrington in 1998 to teach at Harrington High School, and I've been teaching there ever since. I was originally from Fairview, Oklahoma, and when the opening came available in Harrington, I moved from Oklahoma to Kansas. Since I've been at Harrington High School, I have also been the Assistant Activities Director for the last 2 years. I've also been the Student Council sponsor. I've coached Scholars Bowl as well as Middle School Quiz Bowl. I've also been the cheerleading sponsor, and I have been a class sponsor during that entire 20 years. In addition to these things, I started my master's degree last summer in 2017, and the reason I started on it was in that 20 years at Harrington, I had gone through 9 different principals, and every time someone new would come in with a different agenda or something that they wanted to improve in the school, and I would come home to my husband and I would say, okay, here's what they're doing this time, and I do agree or I don't agree. And finally he said to me, Darlene, why don't you become the principal? Why don't you make those decisions? And so I thought, well, why not? So I began searching for how to get my master's degree. I looked at lots of different options, and most of them online. Because of my location here in central Kansas, I just couldn't afford to drive to anywhere, so I went with online courses. And that's why I chose Fort Hays State, is because of the ease of the program, and also all the courses are online, and I was able to do that and handle my work schedule as well as take courses. So then, lastly, where do I see myself in the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? I hope to see myself in assistant principal's job in 2 years, either in a large school or head principal in a small school. In 5 years, I hope to have some experience as a principal under my belt. And in 10 years, I would like to see myself working to become a superintendent or an educational leader here in Kansas. So thank you, and I hope this was a good introduction of Darlene Griffiths for you. Thank you.